Hi, what's up, Theta Network holders? So it's a really shock news for all Theta Network holder, my brother. You can see here last 7 days, last 1 hour, last 1 day, all change occur will be negative now. And last 7 days, you can see minus 16.2%. They fell down, lost. They are completely lost. And last 1 hour, you can see my brother this time minus 4.52%. They are completely lost now. So there, what's the reason, my friend? First of all, I want to tell you, my friend. The reasons and absolutely, my friend, especially at the end of month every coin will move upward now, but your reason, my friend, absolutely is that simple reason to especially at the end of month short time investor they starting selling, so we cannot expect, and absolutely, my friend, they will sell it now. So see, my brother, but kindly, if you are trusted on ABS channel, then please subscribe this channel. And yes, absolutely, ABS channel will guide you, update you every time now. So I hope you like, and absolutely, my friend, you will subscribe our YouTube channel. If we check out, my friend, just in only the last 1 day chart, so that's a negative now. And what's the reason, my friend, I will tell you now. This time, especially after a very huge jump, my friend, they will falls down, but after that, my friend, you can see they again will wake up. So I'm so happy to they will again starting for now. Congratulations. But absolutely, my friend, after a short fail, oh, they will take a very huge jump now. So I know about this to upcoming time, there is a lot of chances they will wake up and they will take a very huge jump now. But just in only, my friend, what we can say that about. So let's see. But please, holder, don't sell it before at the end of this month. I hope they will give you a very good profit. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.